Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to do a rice pudding face molding mask. And the way you do this is quite easy guys. If you click on the link I'm going to show you exactly how I make this rice mask. And what I'm going to do guys is put this all over my face like a molding mask. I don't do too thick of a layer, but I do add a good layer on my face because you don't want this to dry out on your face. You want all the benefits it's going to give you, and that means you have to put a thicker layer on. So this is how I would apply this all over my face until I have it completely covered. Now I'm doing this rice mask guys for a few reasons. I thought it'd be a great idea to do this molding mask since I make the rice pudding as well, because rice guys has great benefit to your skin. It is good for acne and it reduces redness along with helping to clear blemishes on your face, and rice is great to soothe inflammation on your skin. Now using rice on your skin as well guys is great because it is full of natural antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin A, flavonoid compounds, and much more that helps to minimize free radical damages on your skin. Now, a little tip for you guys, if you're using this rice molding mask, I don't use this every week because guys, rice does also have a slight bleaching effect on your face. I leave this mask on guys for 15 minutes. I don't leave it too long, and after that I go and rinse it out. I would usually do this when I add my rice mask on my hair. So I would put it on my hair and then I would put this on my face. I use it especially guys if I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and my face is dehydrated. So you can use this as a full-on molding mask, or you can use this as spot treatment on your face if you just want to focus on the spots. I wanted to show you guys the first time I put this on, my results after doing this for 4 times on my face. These are the final look. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love the result that I get out of this. How nice and hydrated my skin look, how much better it feels, and how much it helps with the hyperpigmentation on my face. If you're looking for a mask that is anti-aging guys, that helps with hyperpigmentation, it helps to moisturize your skin and do a great job overall at keeping your skin just healthy, try this rice mask guys. It will work wonders for your skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, go subscribe to my channel. Click on the little notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos out. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave all of your comments down below and go over and watch my last video.